Hello, and welcome to another episode of GLU. We're so glad that you are joining us here today. I am Karen Allen with Groove Agent. I am VP of Events, and also with me is my co-host Michael Kurzaginski, all the way from Tours, France. Hello, Michael. How are you doing today?
Hello, I'm good. I'm good. Yes, I'm in France. It's early in the morning, as every Friday. Friday for me, Thursday for you, and probably if you are in Asia, it's also Friday morning. Groove Asia is a worldwide community, but we have lots of people who are watching us in Asia. So hello, everybody. I don't know where you are. Maybe you are in Japan, maybe in China or Malaysia. Groove Asia is mainly managed from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. But we
Hmm.
have, as I said, people all over the world, and you can also be part of a team, Groove Asia active members. So I'm really happy every Friday to be with you, my dear partner, Karen.
All right, also, well, I do enjoy you being with me here on Groove Asia Leaders Unite, also formerly known as the GLU. And today we're going to be talking about the power of AI, or using artificial intelligence for SEO. So the power of AI for SEO, the journey
To
to
online
online
success.
success. So
Yeah.
yeah, this is what we're going to be talking about today. And it is very important when you have these things and when you're building your websites, your membership sites, anything you're doing online, you want to have your SEO down pat because it saves you a lot of money. So you can get that organic traffic. Is what I like to use it for. And there's a lot of people who miss this part when they're building their websites and when they're building their courses, or they're doing their blogs, or putting any kind of content online. They don't consider the SEO. But these are things you need to
So we
consider
maybe
when you're
explain.
doing that.
Ma- Yeah,
Yes,
maybe
yes,
we
yes, yes.
we have to maybe we have to explain because AI SEO. If you already know us, you know that we provided lots of content concerning that topic AI SEO. But if it's the first time you come with us, maybe those terms AI SEO. It's so AI. If you were in a cavern for the last 6 months, probably you don't know that a major innovation came into the place. I mean, the technology that is called AI generation, generative text, and also generate. You can generate also images through a process that is
Hmm.
called AI. So it's also called machine learning. It's a way
Hmm.
a system learn how to recognize a pattern and generate content from those patterns. And they don't really know how it works, but it works, and it open new
Goodness.
horizons, and about lots of companies are right now investing a lot on AI
Millions,
because
millions.
uh, yeah, it can accelerate the pace and accelerate also to shrink the cost of what you you want to do. I mean, if you want to create content on digital
Hmm.
marketing, we need to create content. Uh, you can use AI to help you to generate those contents, and it will save you time and money. So
Hmm.
it's a great innovation. And SEO is about search engine optimization. So
Hmm.
it's something that people know. If you are in internet, there is two games you want to play. The first one is traffic, the second one is conversion. Why? Because you need to have an offer available on a website, on a page, on a funnel. With Groove Asia, we provide a software that permits you to create lots of funnels, unlimited number of funnels. Each time you have something to promote, you should have a funnel. So if you don't know what the funnel is, stay connected, tune with us, and you will. And also try .cm software for free. You can
Hmm.
discover it, and you will see that with a funnel you can promote an offer. And what the game I said, I mean, traffic is to aims at aims at having lots of people seeing your offer, so arriving on your page. So this is traffic. There is different way to do it. You can do for free, even if it's time and money consuming, creating content on social networks, for instance, or having a blog, and from a search engine you will have traffic like that. So it's free, and you can also have paid. You can pay advertising on on internet. You have different possibilities to invest on advertising, and you should invest and get traffic in return. And so traffic and also conversion. So with AI, you can uh, 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 AI can help you to get more traffic and help you to
Mm-hmm.
more conversion. So we today we won't go through AI SEO deeply, but we go through, let's say, SEO in general, like basic knowledge before you jump into AI and a more advanced AI SEO, right, Karen?
Right. Right. So SEO, like you explained is what is needed to help you to grow traffic or get traffic onto your eyes on your material. SEI is the practice of just optimizing your website or your web page to improve its visibility and ranking in those search engine result pages, those SERP pages, they call it SERP, SERP pages. And the goal of SEI is to attract organic, non paid traffic from search engines by ensuring that the website appears high relevant queries that doesn't come out of your pocket. So that's just a good thing to have, is to optimize the SEO. And there's a couple of aspects of SEI of the SEO that you want to do when you're developing your SEO on your web page or your website. So the first thing you want to do is your keyword research. Your keyword
Yeah.
research. What is that? That's the
Uh,
first aspect.
so people need to, yeah, yeah. You want you to do it, Karen? You want to talk about that, or
Yeah, just what it is, and the
the
keyword on the
the
research, what it is. It
okay?
involves
Let's go with you,
identifying,
Karen.
yeah, I understand. It involves identifying the keywords and phrases that users are searching for in relation to your website content. Now, by targeting relevant keywords, you can optimize your website content to match your search intent. So, if you want to be known for a specific topic, then you will use that word, like you use that word in a lot of your content. So it sheds light on the topic. For instance, say you have a website promoting eco-friendly home products, okay? And through keyword research, you discover that terms like sustainable kitchenware, environmentally friendly home decor, and green cleaning supplies are highly searched. This is what people are putting into their Google search to find information about these topics. So if your site is about those kind of things, those are the keywords that you want to put in your blog or put on your web page so people can find your materials when they're searching for this. So by targeting these keywords, you can optimize your website's content to attract organic traffic from individuals seeking eco-conscious products. So you're actually giving them, finding out what people are looking for, and you're actually giving them what they want. And when you give them what they want, Google ranks you higher on the search engines. So that's doing your keyword research. And the second thing we have is on-page optimization. So say you have your keywords, you've done your research, you know which keywords you need to use in your content. So when you start building your website or developing an article, creating an article for your blog, on-page optimization is where you will go next. So, Michael, what do we know about on-page optimization?
But it's everything you can do to optimize your page, um,
Hmm.
to make them more search engine friendly. So it includes optimizing meta tags. If you if you don't know what a meta tag is, it's a meta means above data. I mean, it's data that is hidden somewhere and that give information about the page. So when you create a page, there is a little information in the header. The header is not seen. I think the header of the code. On the code, you have information inside the code that gives information, and those codes are called uh, tags. There is also the title of the page and something that is also called meta descriptions. Um, the structure of the page is also important, and the words you using inside the page. I mean, if it's a blog post, for instance, the or even a web page, uh, the words that are inside are important because they will or will not be found on your page will be or will not be found on search engine if those words are inside or not inside. So it's the quality of your content oriented op, optim, optimized for a search engine. So let's say you have yeah, as I said, let's say you have a blog. So for gardening, for instance. So you need to add keywords that are related to that topic, and you need also to be aware of the structure of your page. For instance, a long content is good. A structured content is also good. So as you will find on the internet lots of advice about SEO. So I recommend you to learn by yourself, uh, checking the information you get. And hopefully at Groove Asia, we have an expert, and it's Simon Leong. Simon Leong used to work in Google on the
Hmm.
early years of Google. So he will talk about on-page optimization, right?
You're correct. Not only we have an expert, we have the expert in Groove Asia, which is Simon Leong, from him being a the senior optimization specialist with Google when Google first started, and was an essential part of creating the algorithms that they're using still today. So yes, definitely, we have the expert of SEO.
And there
So
is another optimization that you can do is so on page and off page. So maybe Karen, you can to us about that.
yes, yes. We have like the keywords on
Off
page
page
optimization,
optimization.
and we also have off page optimization. Now, off page optimization involves activities performed outside of your website to improve its visibility and reputation. Now, it includes building high quality backlinks from reputable websites, social media marketing, and online reputation management. So, those are kind of the things that you would use for off page. So, these are all the SEO strategies that are not actually on your website or in your blog or your membership site. These are things that are referring your information, other people, other websites, other social media that's referring back to you. So this is the part of the off-page optimization. So for instance, imagine you have a website offering um, fitness training services. Now, engaging off page optimization, you may reach out to fitness influencers or bloggers and request them to review your services. resulting in valuable backlinks because they're going to link back to you or they tap back to you. Now, additionally, you could contribute insightful guest posts to reputable fitness publications, further establishing your authority in the industry. So, optimization is everyone else talking about you, okay, and they're linking back
Yeah,
to
you're
you or
right.
they're tagging back to you.
It, it's very important. Technically, backlinks are the something that can bring lots of traffic. Because
Hmm.
if you have a very big website recognized and with lots of traffic that put a link from their website to yours, obviously you will have traffic. But more of that, you will be recognized by social networks, by
Yes.
a search engine, sorry, by as a valuable information source because you are uh, present on a website that is already recognized as a reference. So
Hmm.
it's a good thing to work on that offline optimization. Tech, SEO can be very technical, so you don't need to go so deeply, but it's if you can, it's good to know the basics. And
Hmm.
so technical SEO is maybe something that you can give to someone that uh, knows the field, or maybe to you can also train because even if you don't go deeply on technical SEO, you can take advantage of it. So, for instance, if you use a Groove platform, you're very lucky because you don't have to take care of technical aspects because it's already inside the
Yes.
platform by default. By default. So,
Right.
for instance, um, something that is very important for um, a good SEO is technical aspects like the speed. If your website is slow, you won't be recognized by Google on the first pages. They will prefer
Hmm.
to give to people websites that are loading fast. The same
Hmm.
for responsiveness, mobile friendliness, if you prefer. I mean, responsiveness is the fact that your website can be seen on different devices. So if your website is not available or not user friendly for people on devices, on small devices, what will Google do? They won't show you pages on the first results. You see what I'm on the first page
Right.
of
Hmm.
the results. So hopefully, um, it's good. It's good to have a platform like Groove that by default propose that your website will load fast. All your pages can be user friendly for small devices. The web architecture is also well designed. It's important.
Hmm.
The pages, the code is clean, and sometimes when people have a website, the code is not clean, and that can be a problem. Um,
Yes.
there is also something that Google asks is to have a XML file that the the search
Sitemap.
engine robots can
Hmm.
tap into. So robots, their search engine send little robots to websites to explore what your website is made of. So if you have 10 pages, you should have a XML file that say, okay, I have 10 pages. This is my
Hmm.
pages. This is my addresses. So it's not it can be technical if you don't use a platform like Groove, but it's good. That sitemap um, is done for you. And so what I propose you is to also think about user experience.
Mhm.
We call also that UX, user experience.
Experience.
And Karen, you will something about that one.
Yes, I do want to say one thing about the technical part is, when everyone started getting on the online and we had the dial up and it took forever for things to download or to upload, that can be a problem. So if your website taking forever to download, the images on there, that can give you not good for your website. Okay, so make sure all your images are optimized so they can download very quickly. All right, so user experience, also known as UX. Now, that's our next aspect in the SEO. Now, user experience, which is search engine prioritize websites to offer a great user experience. For websites that you go on that has bright, very contrasting colors, or where you have to look forever for everything and it's just mumble jumble, those are not good user experience websites. Now, factors such as load speed, mobile responsiveness, intuitive navigation, which is very important, and engaging content all contribute to a user experience. You don't want to build a website or anything like that where someone leaves your website with a headache, when they're looking for things and they can't find what they're looking for, or they got to click 5 different buttons to get to the information that they want. All this plays an important part. So imagine you run an e-commerce a website selling fashion apparel, and by focusing on the US, friendly. It goes because most of the people are accessing the internet on their smartphones. So they got their vertical screen here. So, and then you don't want to have to scroll, or vertically or horizontally to get the information. So make sure your website is first mobile friendly, has clear navigation, and offers a seamless checkout process. You don't want the people coming to your website having to fill in their name and address and credit card information multiple times. That causes a hassle, and it will make a high bounce rate because people will just leave. Now, this a delightful user experience encourages visitors to spend more time on the site, where they're curious and they're interested in what you're presenting. So they're staying on your site and they're reading your content, they're consuming your content. It reduces the bounce rate and ultimately signals search engines that your website provides value, resulting in improved ranking. So they're spending a lot of time on your site because they're interested in the content. Everything is just a click away. That just gives the search engines a positive note that you or your website is something that people want to consume. They're staying on your site, they're spending time on your site, they're engaging in the content. And so that really ups your SEO on that way. So when we're talking about content on a web page, that too is also very important when it comes to your SEO. So the next aspect of great SEO was be your content creation. And Michael's going to share a little
Yeah,
bit about that.
yeah, you're right, Karen. I mean, it's important to have a user experience, and the content is also an experience. I mean, if you have a website with no content inside, it's a poor experience for people. And if you want to bring them a delightful user experience, you need to think about um, bringing offering valuable things, and
Hmm.
information is good. Content creation, so you can depends of what you do, but if you are a specialist of a specific domain, you'll create high quality, relevant, and valuable content about that. And it's
Hmm.
crucial for your search engine optimization, your SEO. It's to yeah, if you don't have content, you won't be able to attract organic traffic. It's what we organic traffic is another word to say free, not advertising. So organic traffic, the traffic you can get from social networks, from also from your blog, because you if you have a blog with a new content every day, at the end of the year, you will have so many content on your website that obviously your website will be recognized as a reference. If on that specific topic there is no such website. I mean, that consistency about creating a content every day will bring you a compound effect. So it will also encourage backlinks. We talk about that. So links coming from another website. If that links come from
Mhm.
a famous website with lots of visitors, is even better. And it will creating good content will also keep you users engaged on your website. They won't go somewhere else because nature don't I mean, if someone don't find interest to be on your website, yeah, of course they will go somewhere else. So if you want to keep them engaged on your website, it's crucial to give them value. So content can include blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and more. You can also be creative. It can be quiz, surveys. You can also bring value like that. And yeah, and there is something crucial. Also, it's to be able to analyze what you do, your results, and this is something called analytics and monitoring.
Mhm.
And uh, we should consider uh, doing that all the time, because if you cannot analyze what you do, you cannot so I recommend you use tools like Google Analytics, for instance. It will permit
Mhm.
your website to be connected to graphics, and so you will have the figures, the numbers every day, how many people are connected, where they come from, and lots of information about your campaigns. If you have a emailing campaign, you can see the results of a specific campaign. If you have a specific funnel, you can
Mhm.
distinguish the visitors of your website and the visitors of each of your funnels. So it's very important to analyze, and of course you can use tools like Google Analytics, but there is something great in Groove. You can use basics features on
Mhm.
Groove that can give you also those information. Even if you don't connect to Google Analytics, yeah, it will you will have more info but information. But with within Groove, you can also have the number of visitors and how many people sign up into that specific form. So it's good to analyze. So vision, I think you can improve your um, you can improve the visibility of your websites and your traffic,
Mhm.
and you can also, and it's something that we is not listed in a plan. It's about improving the conversions. So you can use AI also to improve uh, the quality of your content, and the quality of your copywriting, the way you you write on your pages to convince. So changing maybe the color, changing the the headings, the sub-headings, the paragraphs, the arguments. If you want to sell something, if you want to promote something, you can try different pages, different versions of your funnels, and it's also called A/B testing, A,
Hmm.
B, and using analytics, and you can analyze which version of your funnel, which version of your page is converting the most. So with AI, you can do that, all of that, and we have a special uh, bonus for people. If you are with us today, even if it's live, good. If it's on replay, uh,
Right.
if you can connect to a offer we have, I will encourage you to jump into that special training, right, Karen?
Yes, yes, we do have a training that is coming up. Definitely a training coming up. And let me show where you can access that training. But before we get to that, I do want to tell you that SEO is definitely a long-term process. And during this time, we have explored the importance of keyword research, on-page optimization, off-page optimization, technical SEO, user experience, content creation, and analytics and monitoring. So when you embrace all of these aspects and tailoring them to your unique website and audience, you can unlock the true potential of SEO and enhance your online experience. And like Michael said, we do have an event or a session that you have an opportunity to attend if you want to, and it does um, require some investment. But this is from the Google Insider who is going to be doing the training. So I'm going to show you our resource page. I'm just going to pull it up here so you can see what we have for you. Okay, so this is at, and you can look at the, let's see, the caption that's on the page, groovasia.cm/resources. And our resource number 2, this is the AI for SEO special event replay. And you can watch the SEO, it's a live demo. And it's how Simon Leong was able to create a brand new product and to get it onto first page of Google within a few minutes. The first page of Google within a few minutes. And this was after, I think, the product he was doing, or the keywords that he was researching, had millions on Google that people were trying to rank for. And he did it in minutes. He did it in this whole training. So it is possible. It is possible that you too can learn how to do that, how to learn how to rank your sites, optimizing your SEO so you can rank on number one of the Google researches. Because how many pages, when you're researching for something, Michael, when you're researching for something, how many pages do you go look at looking for what you're trying to find? Do you go to page,
I,
8, 9, and 10?
no, I admit, some very, very, generally, I stay on the first page and even the first result of the first page. Yeah. So you need to
Right,
be there.
right.
Imagine if you have a business where you can have constant traffic to your pages. It would be great, no? So if you want that, you should attend that training. We have a special training this weekend,
Hmm.
and we have also a training we previously recorded, so you can access both. Use clicking on that link,
Right.
Unlock AI for SEO Secrets. Be able to see the last trainings we had on that topic. And if you want to go beyond of that, you can, but you need to decide fast because the course will be this weekend. So
That's right.
don't uh, don't miss that.
Don't delay. Do not delay. Don't delay. But like you say, you only search on the first page. You don't go to page two, page three, four, five. No, all the money is on the first page. So if you want to learn how to get on the first page, go to grooveasia.cm/resources and resource number two, and get the opportunity to learn how to do that. Okay. And another thing that we have coming up just in the Groove Asia, because we like Groove Asia people and we like people who like to engage with us. And we do this, we're all over the world, but every once in a while we want to get together so we can see you. We want to see you. We want to meet you. We want to say hello and see what you're talking about. And in that, we have the Mastermind Retreat that's coming up in October. I'm so excited. We had our
Yeah,
first one in April. That went to April in the beginning of May, and our next one is in October. I got to see Michael face to face. I sure did. I was able to
yeah,
speak with him and have discussion.
yeah. People needs to understand that
Yeah,
we
so it
are
was very
on
interesting.
yeah, we are an online community, but we can meet for real each other in
Hmm.
in a retreat, and then we had a retreat in a few weeks ago in Malaysia. So if you don't know Malaysia, it's a wonderful country, and we you can go to Malaysia with us again on October, and you will be able to meet us because I I will be there. I applied, and so you can apply also. And Karen, I don't know if you will be there, but it would be wonderful. And so that kind of event is a way for you to not only learn more about how to get started with your affiliate marketing, with your digital efforts, because you will be connected with true professionals, but you will be also connected with other people like you. So you will be able to connect to partnership, maybe depends. You
Yes.
decide. And so it's in October, and you can go to mastermindretreat.com/retreat, and you will get the informations and be able to to get into the form to apply. In
Yes.
few days, we will also have a replay for we will have
A webinar.
yeah, you will be able to get into a webinar we previously recorded, and we will be there to answer to your questions. So this webinar is not available yet, but it will be in few hours or days. And that on that webinar, we explain uh, why this kind of event is amazing and why you should consider joining us.
That's right. That's right. I am definitely looking forward to it. And I hope to see more of you that are in the community to come to the Mastermind Retreat with us, at the Breakthrough Retreat with us in Malaysia. It's going to be in Kuala Lumpur, beautiful city, like Michael said, very nice. And we'd love to see you there. So, in this segment, we want to wind this up. I do appreciate everyone that's been with us today. And we had a couple of people that's coming in, but only a few who's put in who made any comments. So if you are here and you're watching live, do put in hashtag live. And if you're watching the replay, put in a hashtag replay. We just want to see real quickly who's with us today.
Yeah, I would
You
like
know, we
to
got
add
Roy
something,
with
Karen.
us. Go ahead.
Yeah, I would. Yeah, there is what you are sharing is the retreat, but you can also find all the events, not only the retreat, but also the courses on a calendar. We have a special calendar you can go and visit, and you can find. I don't know if you can find that calendar from the resource page, but it is the address grooveasia.cm/events, and you will be
Yes.
able to see all the different recurring trainings and shows we have, like today. It's a GLU session every Friday morning. every Thursday evening for you, Karen. So you can, depending of your time zone, you can all the events, and don't miss any of them anymore. And I would like to finish because we need to finish on what is more important for the next. So on the resource page, as Karen said, the next event is this weekend. It's a paid training, but you can have a free replay of the last training we had. Going to grooveasia.cm/resources, you can find the resource about AI SEO, and we hope not only you will see that replay, but decide to come and join us this weekend for this amazing program about AI and SEO. And so we hope today we we gave you the basics to be able to attend that training this weekend.
Yes, and we do appreciate you joining us for the Power of AI SEO today. Looking forward to seeing you this weekend. And if not, definitely for the Breakthrough Retreat in October and everything that's going on in between. As you see from the calendar, when you get to it, we have a lot of information, a lot of events that's going on. So we do appreciate you guys to come and share with us and learn about the Groove platform, digital entrepreneurship, online digital marketing, and online entrepreneurship. And that's what we're here for, to help you to grow and scale. So that winds it up for me. Michael, is there any last words you want to say?
Yeah, learn, scale, and also be free. 2023, be free. We at Groove Asia, if you learn to know us, you will discover that our mission is to helping people to not only to get started with digital marketing, but also to change their business for the good, to grow and changing lives. So we truly think that with digital marketing, you can thrive, you can get a profitable business, and in the next weeks and months and years, we will be there to help you grow fast and to change your life. So this is our mission.
Right. Well, and on that note, we'll see you guys next week.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye.
Hi, this is Simon Liang with GrooveAsia.cm. Are you already a part of the #1 community in the world? If not, do so right now for free training and support, along with live sessions to help you succeed. Start now by joining us in our private Facebook group and get more exclusive video content on our YouTube channel. Make sure to like and subscribe with notifications turned on for all updates. Join our community right now. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you on the inside at GrooveAsia.cm.